Let's talk about this odorless compost bin from Epare. As a gardener, I'm always concerned about how I can reduce greenhouse gas emissions and improve plant growth and health. Installation was pretty easy. Peel and stick adhesive made it easy to hang anywhere. I placed mine at the edge of my counter as that's where I do most of my food prep. It comes with a removable inner bucket and 50 compost bags. It also has a capacity of 4 liters, so don't be afraid to load it up. I use a lot of fruits and vegetables and a lot of eggs, so I will be loading this up. When it comes to unique design, it has a very stylish design and it complements my kitchen aesthetic. Not to mention it's odorless, so no fruit flies, no sour smell, just clean and odorless compost. Once it's full, I take it outside to my warm compost and it's just amazing. If you are looking for an at-home compost bin, I highly recommend Epare Kitchen Compost.